living with is not your husband. That man is a beast. That man is a killer. That man is a witch. That man is a wizard. That man is about to kill you. And listen, let me tell you. If you don't leave that house today, by tomorrow, you are going to be a dead man. In fact, he has planned to kill you. I want to be able to go to a bullegel and that pumps up a legel to a legel at in fact, you are already dead. You will also want to give.
Chineke.
Yeah.
What will I do? Biko, help me out.
Listen, I don't know how long you've been living with that stranger, but I am here to save you. Any family I step in my foot, that family got liberation, or they got liberated, or they are gotten liberation, because I have come into your case. I can go to anywhere for your case. I can go to mountain for your case.
Amen.
I can go to Ijebu for your case.
Amen.
I can climb the mountain top for your case.
Amen. Amen.
I feel slap the devil for your case too.
Amen. Amen.
You're going to sow a seed. That is the only thing that will deliver you from the hands of this killer you call a husband. Because as you're wearing this black skirt, this skirt, by tomorrow morning, it will turn to your morning cloth. Black.
God forbid. God forbid. But
in fact, you are dead.
God forbid.
You are dead.
God forbid.
That man is about to kill you. That man is about to take your soul and
God forbid.
Drop it inside the pit of hell.
God forbid.
You're going to provoke heaven. That is the only remedy. By the time you do it, you will live again. You're going to provoke God. You're going to provoke heaven. You're going to do something that when you remove that thing from your body, it will pain you. And your pains will become penury. You're going to sow a seed. Now.
Seed?
Yes.
Is it yam seed or corn?
I don't know
the kind of seed.
Shut up your mouth. How can you suggest for the spirit?
I'm sorry.
Sorry for your future. Sorry for the sorry for yourself. How can you suggest for the spirit?
Prophet of
spirit
God,
of spirit talk.
I'm sorry. Okay, what kind of seed do you want me to sow?
That is what you should ask me. Don't suggest for them. That's
I'm sorry now.
Don't try to provoke my spirit. Because as it stands now, I am very, very provoked. I am angry. How can you mention corn?
Prophet of God is okay. I'm sorry.
Do I look like you type of where they chop corn?
I'm sorry now.
I don't go wrap of this. Now wrap. Say, what does this R stand for? Has more wrap of money. By the time he paints you inside your soul, then your pains will disappear, and that pain will turn to joy for you. Nonsense. Hey, Arivani manyo. Arivani manyo. Eruari manyo. Ruari wait. Ruari manyo. What? Huh? No, this one is not enough. The spirit rejects faith. They said it's not enough to make them
Prophet of God, this is the only money I have.
Then
now.
you leave it to go and die. Spirit cannot accept this little money. How can you give the spirit? Do you know how much blood that was spent on the cross of Calvary to deliver you from sin? Marry. Look at where you landed yourself. You carry yourself, give to a devil, for a husband. And I'm here to deliver you. Give one penny for when I'm spirit in my 1 year penny for. Now for me here become the more for you.
Hold it now, hold it.
Yeah. Don't take the spirit for granted. Can't you see now?
Is that all?
That is all. You are delivered.
Amen.
You are delivered.
Amen.
Your ways shall be shackled.
Amen.
Your ways shall be wrinkled.
Amen.
Your ways shall be swallowed.
Am-
Your